We just had a major RV repair. Hey guys, it's Izzy from Endless RVing, the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more. If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe below. Make sure to hit the notification bell, and if you're back for another video, we thank you for joining us. And make sure to stay to the end because you are not going to believe how much this repair cost us. So like we have said in so many other videos, when you own an RV, you better have some emergency funds for repair. So we just had a major RV repair. And when I mean major, I mean several $1,000s, okay? Instead of just telling you what it is, but we're also going to tell you what happened, what was the process of getting it resolved, the ordering process, and then actually how long it took from when the damage happened to when we ultimately got it repaired, and what was our cost. So we don't really know when the damage happened. What happened was we got a crack in our windshield. Well, it was actually like one of those bullet holes. Something hit our windshield. I don't know when it happened. I didn't hear it. When we were doing one of our pre-trip inspections, I noticed there was a spot in the windshield, and we actually did a video talking about the pre-trip inspections. So what was the first step? We are covered by Geico, okay? We call Geico up, and the first thing they are going to do is they're going to try to repair it the cheapest way possible, right? And they did that through sending out Safelite. Now with the Geico coverage, if you have a windshield repair where they don't have to replace the windshield, there is no cost to you. They sent out Safelite within a couple of days and they made the repair. The repair process was very easy. I contacted Geico. They made arrangements with Safelite. They called me. They came right to the house. It was literally 20 minutes for them to repair it. And how they do it, they use a resin and they have some kind of suction. They do whatever they got to do. It's supposed to last. If that repair fails, then the next step is going to be windshield replacement. Now, that repair lasted all of about one trip of 20 miles. Once we started to get on the road, that just spidered and it actually got worse. So what did we do next? Called Geico up, told them what happened. Now, what they're going to do is, of course, there's windshield coverage we have on the motorhome. They don't actually send somebody out. What they do, this third party reaches out to you. They send you an app on your phone, and the app walks you through everything. Basically, what you have to do is take a bunch of different photos, overalls, close-ups, and then they determine whether you're approved for a windshield replacement. Now, that process from start to finish, right, from when I called Geico to that third party reached out to me, that was within like a day or so. From when I submitted the claim to the third party to when it was approved was probably another day, day and a half, so that was very quick. Now here comes the part where it took a little longer. You can go through their third party, they subcontract out. The closest Safelite repair center to us was probably 20 minutes away. That wasn't really my choice. Safelite, although they do windshields, I don't know if they really do Class A motorhome windshields all that often. I wasn't comfortable having a Safelite repair, taking it to a facility that wasn't an RV shop. So you do have the option of going to another party. You can do that, and it has to be approved by Geico. We chose to use Gerber RV in Hackensack, New Jersey. Now, it's actually Gerber RV bus and truck. They work on big buses, commercial grade buses, trucks, everything. They've been in business for over 40 years and they have a stellar reputation. Now, why I did that was because I wanted a place that has experience putting these big windshields on motorhomes, right? So it's not really only the installation, but I wanted to make sure the installation was clean. And more importantly, that I wouldn't have any problems after, leaks, stress fractures, something that wasn't done correctly. If there was a problem, I actually have a motorhome, an RV place that's been in business for 40 years to go back to. Now, Gerber RV uses Duncan Systems. They're a subsidiary of Lippert Components. Duncan makes glass for many RV manufacturers that are out in Elkhart, Indiana. So how it works is Gerber RV, they make their deal, they work out whatever they have to work out with Duncan Systems. Once the order's placed with Duncan Systems, it was probably about 2 to 3 weeks before I got from Elkhart, Indiana over to New Jersey. Here's the good part. Here's again why I chose Gerber RV. Duncan Systems, they reached out to me, right? They had given me an account number tracking, so I knew once that was shipped when it was in New Jersey. I was tracking it. It was shipped and received at Gerber RV. The next day they called me and they said, okay, bring in your motorhome the next day and we're going to get it done. Again, this is the sign of a quality RV repair shop, okay? From the point where I first contacted them, gave them the information with Geico, they took care of everything, okay? They called Geico, they worked it out, they already had an appointment put out a couple of weeks ahead of time. They knew about how long it was going to take. So once they got that windshield, we were ready, we were in the next day. They told me, have the motorhome here by 7 a.m. and we will have it to you by 2 o'clock. So we get to Gerber RV at 7 a.m. and literally by 7:15, our motorhome is in their bay getting worked on. The repair tech there told me that we will be giving you a call by 2 o'clock. 2:30 called that the RV was done, come pick it up. We checked it out. I found a little bit on the silicone. There was a little piece that was, you know, could have been touched up. They touched it up, although he assured me, he said, listen, this is bonded from the back. It's not gonna leak, but to make you happy, they redid it. Everything looks excellent. We have been out now probably, what, 500-600 miles or so since we have that on. It's had no problems, okay?
What was the one bad thing? We had to take off Matt off the windshield.
We had to take it. And actually, I'm thinking Matt's sticker might be bad luck. I don't think we're going to put Matt's sticker back on our windshield because so far it's been good. There's no cracks. It might have to stay that way.
Sorry, Matt.
So how much did this job actually cost us? So here is the breakdown. The actual cost of the windshield, $2,152.03. The labor, and you know, this is New Jersey, they get paid pretty well, I guess. So from about 7:15, I'm assuming they were probably done by like 2, because I picked it up at 2:30, maybe even before, $1,000, okay? That was the cost of the labor. Grand total, $3,152.03. That was the cost of that repair. Now, what did it cost us? Thankfully, we have Geico, and Geico has windshield insurance, windshield coverage. With that windshield coverage, how it works is if it's a repair, it's no cost to you regarding Safe Flight windshield repair. If it is a replacement, you have a deductible. We chose the $500 deductible, and it was worth it. It cost us $500. $500 versus 31 and some change, I'll take $500 any day. So we are hoping that this does not happen again. The tech at Gerber said he only had one other occasion when a windshield came back cracked again, and it wasn't because it was hit. It was actually the way the motorhome was built. It was a known problem through Winnebago. So like we said, guys, if you own an RV, you better have some backup funds. If you enjoyed this video, if we helped you out to let you know what the process is, please leave it in the comments below. Feel free to share this. If you had any major repairs on your RV, the insurance cover it, let us know in the comments below. To the left of us, we're gonna put our RV DIYs, as well as our RV Essential Upgrades playlist. And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.